Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a core rotational exercise, and this exercise targets all of your abdominal muscles with an emphasis on your obliques, which is the 11 lines when we talked about all the times. And this exercise is also help your abs works in conjunction with your muscles of your lower backs and your hips, so that you can rotate your body with more power. So are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, the first exercise is Russian twist. So we sit on the floor, bend your knee and the feet flat on the floor, and hold your palms in front of your chest. Lean back 45 degrees or as far as you can. And when we rotate your arms to the right side as far as you can. Pause, then reverse to the right side and going back. Then you can feel and brace your core. You can feel that your core muscle is tightening and you're working on. So we do 12 for this exercise.
I don't know who you are, I don't know what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I am so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not you don't.
Okay, the next exercise we're going to do elevated feet twist, the same movements. So you lift up your feet few inch high, doing the same movement, holding your palms in front of you and rotate. You can see this is help.
Let me be the one that makes you feel, serving you and only me, serving you and only one is for you.
So the next exercise is cycling Russian twist. Lift your legs few inch on the floor and extend your left feet and bring your right knee to your chest, and we add on to your arms and just twist it to the other side. This is a great exercise to working on our obliques. We do 12.
To move me like a superstar. What's the story about you? What's the story behind that sad tattoo you're trying to hide? I think I've heard it before in a movie line.
So the next exercise is hips crossover. When we lie on the floor, bring your palms in the front, and lift your feet 90 degrees and rotate to the right side, and slowly bring it back to the left side. Just as we do lying Russian twist, we do 12 reps.
Did you make believe, serving you and only me? How can I trust your personality? Serving you and only one is for you. Let me be the one that makes you feel, serving you and only me, serving you and only one is for you.
So we're moving on to the next exercise is hip dips. Stand on yourself like a plank position. And dip your hips side to side to the left side and bring it back to the right side.
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all.
Okay, so then going to the side planks. Set yourself the side plank position. Bring your left leg in front of your right. It helps you to more easier to lift up your body. So in just holding for 30 seconds. If you can't hold for 30 seconds for each set, you can always drop, bring it back for complete these 30 seconds.
Hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Okay, so we move to the other side. And turning the feet in front, and we move your hands by the hips and holding for 30 seconds.
All that time away from you, I didn't think.
Okay, so now we move to the next plank, side plank switch under. So bring into the left foot in the front and hold your arms up tight and reach under. We do 12 for each side.
Be with you. I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you.
Okay, and we move to the other side. Same, the left foot in the front. So bring it up high and reach under.
If you can understand how you make me feel, I got you in my head. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Okay, so the next exercise, the last exercise is half knee dumbbell wood chops. So we can knee, one knee down, and we have our dumbbell, or you can hold a book or bottle, anything, or just body weights to have from low to high. So holding, we do 12 for each set. Switch your legs. And low to high.
Giddy up, 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 giddy up. I got horses in the back, trunk in the front, exterior red and that inside buttercup. I got.
Okay, so that's all the rotational exercise we do today. So I hope you enjoy it and you can practice this exercise for 2 rounds for each time or each day. And also, don't forget to subscribe my channels. I will have more of this exercise and also show you how to step by step to losing your weight for the 3 steps. Please stay tuned. I'll see you next time. Bye.